everyone. So my cousin just sent me some video on my phone about some cinnamon challenge thing. So I'm on the road right now with my sister as she's filming this. We were supposed to go shopping, but I stopped at some grocery store and bought the cinnamon. She said, V, if you can do this, she will buy me bottle service the next time we go clubbing. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I'm definitely gonna try this out. It says cinnamon, blah, blah, blah. Hold on. Let me open this shit up. I don't have a, sorry cuz, I don't have a spoon. So I'm gonna have to just deal with this shit with the lid. I know you're supposed to use like a teaspoon, but I may as well just try the lid out. Alright, so I'm just gonna pack that up. Alright, that looked like about a teaspoon. Oh shit. Alright, so let's just try this out. This looks like about a teaspoon. Anyways, let's give this a go, alright?
Fucking idiot.
Who the fuck does that shit, man? Fuck your bottle service. I didn't want your fucking bottle service. I got cinnamon on my dick.